Hey, what's up, guys? This is Microsoft engineer from Khalid, and today we will make a website through Notepad. So first of all, we have to open Notepad from the search bar. First of all, we have to write HTML. Then the title will like welcome to my website. And enter, then let's go HTML. After that, when you have written all of these three numbers, you have to press Control S and write index.html and then save. You can select from the file explorer, but I just copy paste in the desktop. So I just click on double click, and here you can see welcome to my website. So thanks for watching. See you later.